Hey guys, welcome back to Gaming with Sofianne. Okay, today we are going to be playing Monkeying Around with my best friend forever. So yeah.
Yeah, me, Delaney, I'm back. I play Roblox with her, and yeah. So, if you want to know why Autumn's not here today, it's because she left at 4 a.m. yesterday to go look at houses.
I
and
know.
And like a beach.
Yeah, okay, so here are my pieces. We have 8. Like, all the other ones only had 6.
Yeah,
So Delaney's going to have, like, yellow and orange.
Yeah.
So she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I have 8, too.
Yeah, so
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
and
6,
this is what
7, 8.
This is what the platform looks like.
Yep, let me show you. Okay.
That's what it looks like.
Yep.
Right here.
Yes.
And this is a
The
magnet.
crocodiles really are hungry for monkeys.
Yes, and we have like the spinner right here. If you want to know where it is. So yeah, we didn't lose it or anything.
Okay, youngest goes first. I will just show her hands because you guys probably already know that she can't show her face. 1. Let's see. Okay. Put your monkey on. Okay, guys, it's my turn. Let's see what I got. 2. Okay. Now let's put. Wait, is this the big monkey? Okay, no. There's only one big monkey. Okay, so now it's Delaney's turn.
Yep.
Step right up.
What's a motor?
Big monkey!
I don't think. Is this a big monkey?
Let's see. Let's see her big monkey. No, that's the same size as this. Oh no, where's your big monkey?
It's right here.
Is this? Yeah, this is her big monkey.
I only have one.
Wait, is that her big monkey? Let's see.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So I'm gonna put my big monkey, right here.
Where did she put it on?
Right there. Wait, Right there.
Yes, okay. Me turn.
Yeah.
Guys, what did I get?
A 2.
Again?
So, if we roll a big monkey, we are just gonna skip it and roll again.
Yes.
Well, if she rolls one, she's not gonna skip.
No, if you get a big monkey, you skip your turn.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wait.
We are in Sophie's house right now.
Yes, we're in my bedroom.
Can I go get my iPod?
No, thanks.
It's downstairs.
No, it's fine.
Yeah, I'll just.
Okay, your turn. Look at what I did to my monkeys.
Yeah, they're just gonna go head down. Okay, skip my turn.
Yay! She got another big monkey. I think I need my...
Big monkey!
Really? Oh, yay. Where's my big monkey? Okay, here's my big monkey, I think.
No. Oh, yeah. For you. You don't.
Yeah.
I'm gonna spin again.
Okay.
One. So I'm gonna
Oh,
put
no,
an
this is
orange
going to
one.
fall.
I'm gonna put an orange one.
Yeah, because she only has, like, yellow and orange. Time for another round.
Yeah.
I'm the winner, guys.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, look, mine
Yeah,
actually
yeah.
fell in there.
Oh my gosh, guys, looky. The monkey fell in the crocodile's mouth.
Oh, and he's gone. Oh, wait, watch this, you guys. Oh, okay, ready? Watch. You guys, watch. Oh.
I think he's going up to heaven.
Or am I down here? I'm up here because it's the best place to be. Oh no, I'm falling, and it's a bad place now. I'm falling too. Oh look, we're tangled.
Okay, let's start a new round. Since I won, I will go first.
Yes, you will.
Okay, wait, let's make sure I still have all 8 of my monkeys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What? Did I count?
They are.
Oh, they're behind me. Wait, let's
Wait,
count again.
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah.
Let's count yours.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7, 8. Okay, let's start this round. I'll go first. I think I'll just respin because yeah.
it looks like a big monkey to me.
Oh, yay, I gotta put my big monkey down first. Okay, your turn.
3.
Okay. I think you want to get the bigger numbers, right?
Yeah, I think so too.
Yeah. The first person who runs out of monkeys or the other person who makes the thing fall wins.
Yes. Wait, so I won the other round because I made the thing fall.
So that means I win. It's bad if you make it fall.
Oh. So if you run out of monkeys, is that good?
Yes.
Okay.
So you put 3 down? Okay.
3.
Yay!
Hope you make it fall.
Oh, no thanks. He's gonna hold the thing by his hand. Okay. 2. Guys, count with me. Last one. 3. Oops. 3. How many monkeys are dangling in the tree now? Comment down below. Okay, your turn. Let's see what she gets. Spin the spinner!
Look at my monkeys.
Let's look at her monkeys. Oops. Wow. Okay, spin the spinner.
Right.
What did she get?
2.
Viewers. Wait, really?
Yeah, I got 2. Look.
Okay.
Let's get him with his brother. Wait, how many? Okay, I did 2.
Okay. Let me spin the spinner.
2.
3. Yay, I think I'm gonna win.
I'm not sure about that. If I get 3, I win.
Really?
Mhm.
You only have 3 left?
I made it. One fell. 1 accident.
Okay. 1, 2. Wait. Oh, I still have 1 left.
3.
How many monkeys are dangling?
Oh, big monkey. I think I may have put it on.
Yay! No, you didn't put your big
It's
monkey.
right here.
You just need like 2 more. But guys,
You're gonna win.
yep, I'm.
Unless you get the big monkey and skip your turn.
Oh, that'd be terrible.
3. You can't put it on.
Aw. Okay.
1.
Okay. So now, ha ha! I won!
So
Yeah. Okay, guys.
So
I'm gonna end the video here. Bye, guys. Say bye.
bye.